Stunned by the images out of Fort Myers and the Florida Gulf Coast, tri-staters want to know how they can donate cash, cleaning supplies, and more.
There's lots of social media posts showing the very powerful pictures, and it makes you just want to help.
The easiest way to help after any disaster is to donate to the American Red Cross by texting 90999 or visiting their website. Other groups helping include the Salvation Army, Global Giving, and Catholic Charities. And in the Cincinnati area, Matthew 25 Ministries. Of course, these days, many of us get our information from social media. So while a friend's sharing of a Facebook post may be completely well-intentioned, you have to check that link very carefully.
In this particular type of situation, scammers are probably going to more than likely turn to social media.
The Better Business Bureau's Sandra Giles says be very careful with Facebook posts that tug at your heartstrings, unexpected emails asking for donations, and be careful of emails claiming to be from the Red Cross. This one used a misspelled Red Cross address. Finally, GoFundMe will likely explode in the coming days with crowdsourcing requests for help, but the BBB says be careful.
If you don't know that person personally with that GoFundMe account, I really wouldn't recommend donating them any kind of money to them, because once that money is gone, it's gone.
Remember, always be skeptical of email and text requests to help out after a disaster. Make sure they're real so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries, WCPO 9 News.